very powerful light.
Yeah. It's one at a time or one at a time.
So wait, can you ever hold this? Kind of be off and do the whole thing?
I'm just gonna switch this around so it's like easier to handle. So I can hold it like this.
Everyone has their expensive cameras, and I'm just over here.
That's your iPod.
Yeah.
Here, hold it again.
Hey, I'm gonna take out my flashlight.
Yeah, I don't think you need your flashlight.
I think we got a brighter flashlight.
Shut up.
I should have turned my flashlight on my phone before it started going down into here.
Alright, I must set this up on a gorilla pod.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm in the abandoned Rochester subway tunnel right now.
There's a really cool like door. You can go under the old newspaper making.
Where?
Yeah, there's like, here, shine over here. Yeah. There's a suicide.
Yeah, this is pretty freaking.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about the suicide note.
Yeah, there's a suicide note somewhere's over here. Here, shine over there. Oh my God, this light is so bright. It's perfect.
Justin, are you just going to be taking pictures?
No, I'm gonna be doing video.
What is this?
Yeah, we saw that the first time we came.
Oh my God. When was the subway abandoned? Like.
Wait, hold this. I want to steal this drive.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
You're gonna steal the hard drive.
Yeah. Dude, what if there's some weird files on it or something? Do you have a toolkit on you?
No.
Of course. That's something you don't have. I want to figure out.
We can come back for it, don't worry. I'm sure it's gonna still be there.
Why are you stealing the hard drive?
Bro, who knows what files?
Oh yeah?
What the fuck is that right there? It could be a steam engine.
That? It's a pretty trippy jellyfish.
All the good fucking shit's all the way down here by the river.
Yeah.
Well, lots of feet.
There's more cats.
Especially stranger. Wait over here. I can't see that from strange.
So 30 years ago, you came down here, they cleaned it all up. Couches,
Really?
mattresses. Yeah.
Support beams. Crazy. Oh yeah, look at that graffiti over there. That's cool. What is this? Choke blues. Pretty cool down here. What's over here? Well, we got 5 guys here. I'm pretty sure we're good.
I come down here. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Graffiti at its finest.
Yeah, right. Good words.
Yeah.
I come down here by myself all the time. David, look what it's like without this flashlight. This is just our low brightness. This is the lowest setting.
I'm not sure if y'all can see anything, but oh yeah, here's the suicide letter. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Because we were reading some of it, it's just weird.
Yeah, it's
It goes on and rants and shit.
How long? I'll take over here.
Yeah.
No, that's like some Kurt Cobain shit right there.
Oh, man. I know it's here, right? Suicide.
You guys, what parts of Rochester you guys from?
Oh, we live in Spencerport.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Come out here just to explore the subway. Hop on the ghost train.
It's funny, my sister works in Spencerport at the Bosse's.
Oh yeah. Wamoko or Bosse's?
I think it's the Bosse's, because, well, she teaches special education.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yo. Yeah.
Yo, we gotta try to get some EVPs done, man. Not my
That would be
Oh, I was about to walk right into this.
Oh, here's the stairway. On the other side of that wall, there's another one right over here.
They're all full of rubber. You guys been underneath the library yet?
I have. I've been down here before, but
I heard I'm gonna make the library haunted or something. I wouldn't doubt it.
way back in the day, some girl died down there, and they found her body in the aqueducts.
Oh, yeah. Now they're fixing that thing up there. Yeah, that's the stairway right there. You can follow it up and it just stops.
Yeah, we've gone up.
Yeah, we've been up there.
Are the stairs still there?
Yeah.
Just, there's a lot of rubble and shit up there.
Oh yeah. Is that where one of the stations used to be?
Yep.
That's neat.
If they want to find a lift down there, I'd be up there.
I feel you.
Oh, there's like a fight down there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's weird. That's
Wow.
This probably would have went up to the street at one point.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it definitely did. Some of it, there's probably turnstiles right there, too.
This is so cool though. Easy there.
You got me this flashlight's pretty dope.
Yeah, it is.
See, I wish we need another one of those. That we can both be like on a buy one. They're $30.
Some pretty cool graffiti, guys. Oh, shoot. Nah. The rails are still in here somewhere. What? Electricity lines? Oh yeah, look at this. The old windows from back in the day when the station used to be here. It's cool. Pretty neat. Old electric lines. Oh yeah, this used to be the old. Okay, yeah, here's the old platform. Shit. The old platform where the station used to be.
Everything runs in there, you can't get lost down here.
It's where the trains used to go, and this is the old station. Pretty neat. Okay, I'm not gonna go over there. Yeah, fuck it. Ugh.
This guy's got his little place set up down here at the other end. He's got it coming up.
Yeah, there's a lot of ducks going through over here.
Really dark down here. This is a whole separate tunnel. All these old pipes down here. And there's more on the other side too. And I'm gonna keep on filming. I'm gonna pause the film right now. Look at this. The city of Rochester. Oh my god, look at all this graffiti down here. Right now we're under Broad Street Bridge by Rochester Public Library, Dinosaur Barbecue, and the Blue Cross Arena. Right above us is the road. Right now we're where the subway used to be. That's nice, that's cool. Yeah, give me a minute. Oh my god, look at this. That's cool.
Can you hold this?
Alright, so we're coming at the other end of the tunnel. As you can see, it's all dark down there. That's where we came out of. Some more spray paint. Tony the Tiger's fist punching into a horse house thing. This is... Yeah, I'm coming. This is some pretty cool graffiti down here. Oh, I smell that dinosaur barbecue. I said, smell that dinosaur barbecue. Smell it? Oh, I was looking at the graffiti over there. I don't know what that's. Yeah, over there. Alright, we're going deeper into the subway. Yeah, if you go down here more, it leads to a room.
A room?
Yeah, but it's fenced off. I'm pretty sure you could just climb over the fence.
Oh, I want to do that. Why not?
What's over here?
Yeah, this is where it's all heated.
Oh shit! I didn't even know about this.
Yeah. Look at all that steam pumping out of there.
Oh yeah.
That's why you got that rag over it. People are getting wet and then cold.
That's neat.
Nicest area down here is on this way.
The Bible.
Where's the door?
So cold down here. Oh yeah, here's. I don't know where the room is. I don't know if this is the room.
Yeah, that fenced in place right here.
Yeah.
That's open.
Yeah, it's open now. Where's it going? Nothing.
Well, there's a room right there though.
There might be a stairway right here.
Yeah, there's a room right in there.
Yeah, there probably is.
All right.
Just never climbed up there.
I feel like at one point the subway just kept going this way.
There probably would.
You need a boost?
Yeah, after the subway failed down here, they ran trolleys for a while, and then oh my gosh, I'm actually proud of myself for that one.
Is there a door there?
I would just jump up here.
It's just a wall.
What is there? I see a hole in that.
I feel like I'm gonna get like jump scared or something. What are you gonna do?
Is it just a room or what's in there?
There's like some couches and stuff.
Really?
I felt like I was gonna get jump scared in this. There's gonna be somebody like, ah! Oh, it drops down. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I gotta get up in there and check that out.
Right now we're in the aqueduct, Genesee River. There's another cool graffiti. Oh, here it is. The rock dude. That.
The rock dude?
Yeah. I may not be brave, but I am handsome.
Oh, the thing.
Yeah, that. You see it?
That's what it's called.
Yeah. That guy is from the. Yeah. It's cool. Yeah, that's what they knocked down over there, the cement.
Yeah. Wasn't there a stairwell over here?
Yeah, there's a room right there, but they the door is all locked and stuff.
This is all the library.
Yeah.
My phone's battery's dying, so I can't use my flash anymore. But since I walked through the tunnel on once, I don't think I'm gonna film on the way back. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
enjoy myself like that.
This is, you can stand at the end of the aqueduct right here.
6 feet down from the edge. There's more water that comes from here.
Oh, yeah. Well, look, I'm going to go here.
The aqueduct under the subway. Right now we're under the Rochester Library, where the aqueducts are. Oh, it's an old lake. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! I almost got attacked by another bird. I don't know what it is. Well, I got attacked by a bat yesterday. I don't want to get attacked by a bird.
You gotta watch out for the barn swallows. They're the ones that will attack you.
Yeah.
Barn swallows.
Joe, you're gonna be on YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, Joe. Yeah, I don't know what that dude is. He just walks over.
Oh, my video stopped.
What? Stop. What? Stop it. I need it. You found anything interesting?
It's an old, yeah, it's an old stairway.
A stairway?
Dude, I ain't fucking with you shit, man. Just look. That's wild. Cool. Right on.
Wonder where it goes. Probably goes nowhere.
Right now we're about to leave the tunnel. Still some pretty cool graffiti over here. You get it? You get your umbrella? Alright. Now this wasn't here when I came here before. Illuminati eye. Illuminati. Illuminati.
My camera stopped recording. And it take forever to combine. I'm just gonna use video editor. I don't even get it.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to ask people where the.
Oh yeah, here it is. Right here.
This is kind of cool.
Right, that's right, too.
What does that say?
You gotta start over here.
Alright. Oh my god. Look at that too. Beautiful.
Now, who does that look like to you?
Oh, that right there?
It'll look like Angelina Jolie.
A little bit. It's hard. It's kind of hard to make out, but a little bit.
It's like a mix between that or Cindy Crawford.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
What's her name there from Casino? Who's the broad in Casino?
Casino. I don't know, it's been a couple years since I've seen that movie. Cindy Crawford.
Cindy Crawford, she's the model. Okay. Sharon Stone, is that her name?
I think so. Oh, in the city?
Yeah. Two Bears, right by
Two Bears. I think it's a you go like two bridges
the
down.
store.
Yeah. I seen it.
Same person.
Yo, set my beer right here. Alright.
You guys got any weed?
No.
You guys Christians?
Yeah.
Thank God. I'm trying to be a Christian, but I'm getting there. Hey, you want to pray?
So right now we're in this room that we found. Oh shit. Yeah, I know that the tracks, they start right there too.
Where's the track start? Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go all the way over.
They start down here too. I don't know where this used to be.
That's weird. Where's the track? I'm running the same way down here. I don't want to step on the
Yeah, the tracks are right here. See, Joe?
You know where the garden building is? Yeah. That's where the building is.
Old train tracks.
There's no door going that way. It's right on one street.
Yeah, this section doesn't follow Main Street now.
Oh, here's the branch line right here.
Further up.
Right, the branch line.
Yeah. I was wondering what you, yeah, right here. It goes for like only like 200 feet, 100 feet.
There used to be a switch track right here.
Oh, that's neat. Yeah, tracks are still right there.
Can you imagine digging this all up and scrapping it?
You would get a
That's some money right there.
couple of bucks.
Cops would probably be called, why you bringing in railroad
Oh,
funds?
there's another spur.
Yeah.
Dude, we didn't see this part. Yeah, we did, remember? We thought it was the maintenance area, right?
No, that's
No, this is no.
Yeah.
This goes around.
That door was right here. It's not.
Yeah, we didn't come into this spot.
And they just end at this wall.
See, I want to know where this track would have went, actually, though. Because,
Well, right now we're under Blue Cross Arena,
Yeah.
so yeah.
but maybe this is like some sort of special track or something. That's some special guy.
Well, maybe they're yeah.
But
They must have used to load in stuff down here, wherever this would lead.
see, but if you look this way, you're hitting the track go right into Blue Cross Arena. So
Yeah.
you're right into the river.
Look at that, like, it looks like water in the iris.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Hey, we can see down here now.
Hey, there's another one.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
See it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Look at this teddy bear. No, it's a Teletubby. It's a fucking Teletubby.
Dang it, I just had
Fuck
Box.
I just recorded that all. See, I'll chop it out. Yeah.
I just think it's neat that the original tracks are still here after all this
I
time.
know, right. And the best part is, man, if you got the, man, I wish I had a tape measure. Because if you tape them out, you can find out what the width is and everything. It'll
Yeah.
tell you what year and, you know,
Really?
what ran on it and stuff like that. Yeah.
That's
Yep.
neat.
Yep.
Out in Spencerport, where the old New York Central line used to run through Spencerport, or CSX, there's still, little pieces of track, and there's a date on the track, and it's read 1913.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's like sometimes you look at the old railroad ties, and on the ends, you got to dig down sometimes.
Guys, we're at the end of the tunnel now, heading back home. As you can see, The rails are
You
still
guys wanna
here.
look it up to your computer and see what's on it?
You can barely see them, but the rails are still here.
What the hell is this?
And then it's just a wall.
Somebody tried to burn up a Bible.
Yeah, I know. There's a whole bunch of Bibles around here. And now it's just a wall.
Yeah, Joe, don't you agree this guy's great?
The tracks are still here. You see the tracks around here. Now we're walking back home. Here it is. We're back. It's still light outside, so we're good. It's all good.
The subway is cool.
Shit, I didn't know.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
This graffiti right here is pretty cool too.
What the hell? Broad Street.
Broad Street Tunnel, 10 by 6, 3
10 by 16 feet.
sealed.
3 shed. I think this says ceiling, contracts. Yeah, I don't know what else it says.
That's probably the people who filled in the rest of the tunnel, because before this wall right here was never here.
I don't think that part.
Alright, we easily drive a car through here.
I know you can, but we're not. Oh, this graffiti is pretty cool right here. Oh, it feels nice to be back.
Justin, we gotta start our Facebook page to reopen the subway.
There, like, flashlight. This
Don't be angry.
camera! Somebody left it.
Oh my god! Oh my god, a camera! Boy, take that. Let's go. We gotta get it. Oh my god! It's the killer! It's the killer! Run! Run! It's the killer! It's the killer!
He's coming for the camera!
Shit!
Coming for the hard shot.
Alright, we're just kidding, guys. There's no killer. We're just fucking with you. Hey, the fidget spinner! Ah! We just went from the 1950s to 2017. And look how shitty it is.
This bridge is new. They just built this not too long ago. This over here.
I don't know what this is.
And I sealed the rest. We would still be in the tunnel if we went back 6 years ago.
Oh yeah, I know.
I didn't know you 6 years ago, Justin. I don't think you know 6 years ago.
Oh no. 2 years ago, Justin, 2 years ago, like the other, like how we were looking at that wall over there inside, that wall wasn't there. It would all just come out. But they filled all that in 2 years ago.
See? I don't think any of this existed.
Guys, it's the fun zone!
Oh shit! The fun zone. I've been waiting for
It's the fun
the
zone!
fun zone. Wow, that was so much fun, guys.
Guys, look! Free ticket to the circus!
Oh shit! Free tickets
That's $5 value!
for no. Oh, look at fuck Trump. Well, fuck you too.
The devil lives!
Jasmine eats ass.
Open your eyes! They're lying to us! Who you calling dickhead? Michael! At Milo Hopsy!
And then we're back.
I'm like a honey.
And there goes the train!
The train.
My phone is dead.